Hello students, this is Prakasham sir from Math Beyond Marks YouTube channel where you can learn mathematics by learning concepts. In this video, I am going to continue the yesterday's video of coordinate system. Those who didn't watch, please go to video number 1 and watch that video and come back to this video so that you can understand fully. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe and watch. Also, I request you to click the like button so that my YouTube algorithm will start recognizing the channel and will send the notifications to everyone. Please cooperate. In the previous video, I have drawn two axes. That is, two axes I have drawn, two lines. Like this, I have drawn two lines. One along y-axis, that is standing line or vertical line. Horizontally, that we can call sleeping line also. And both are lines, so that we have to keep the arrows, mark the arrows so that they are, to identify that they are lines. And yesterday, in the previous video, I said that it is x-axis. And this is y-axis. Y. Okay, this one is y dash and this is x dash. Okay, x dash. Now, what is the thing? This horizontal x-axis will have the points. Okay, now I pasted a graph sheet for your reference. This is called graph sheet. In this one, it will be like this. The lines here, 5 units. Small lines will be there, 5, 1 unit. We can name it as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. May not be equal. So please try to understand. But in graph sheet, that will be perfectly equal. Here, the size is different. Now name this as 1, 2, equally 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, straight to this one. Okay, now what is that? 10 lines will be there. Now you can name this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, 6. And here same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here some size difference is there. Here it is small, here it is bigger. That is drawing difficulty only, but in your graph sheet it will be located properly, because pasting from somewhere to here, there will be a small error. Okay, now in this graph sheet, we are going to locate one point, means this point I want to locate here. Here I want to locate means this also can locate, I locate this correct one. So along x-axis you have to walk 5 units and this point is here, not there also, straight to this. Okay, and along y-axis you have to walk here, x-axis you have to walk 5 units, and like this along x-axis you have to walk 2 units, and this is called 5, 2. Very important thing, always you have to locate right x-axis first, y-axis next. Every time, whether walking towards this side or walking towards this side, whatever it is. Suppose one point is here. You may think it is closer to this one. No, sir. No, I am marking straight to this 6 and 5. Okay, now not like this. We are walking first along the x-axis 2 units. Along x-axis 2 units and walking along y-axis 5 units. Therefore, this is 2, 5, not 5, 2. Don't change this one. It is 2, 5. It is 5, 2. Then very important thing, what about this point? No, sir, it is not having distance in the y-axis itself. So don't worry, it is 5, 0. So a point on the x-axis will be having y coordinate 0. We'll call this as x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So we'll write like this in a linear x, y pair. This will call as coordinate pair, x unit first, y unit second. Always you have to write x, y form only. So a point on the x-axis always x comma 0 form. We can say as x comma 0. Why x comma 0? X may be 1, x may be 2, x may be any number, a point on the x-axis. But it is on the y-axis, you know, by this time you would have understood. Yes, that is correct. A point on the y-axis, this point is nothing but 0, comma 3. Along x-axis, no distance. We are walking only along the y-axis. Therefore, x-axis 0, y-axis 3. Are you able to understand, my dear children? I hope you like this one. If you like, please like it. Like and comment whether it is good or not. Yes, now let us go to, so what is it? Graph points, how to look at the point. X coordinate, y coordinate. Sometimes it is in the middle. I'll take one middle point here. Both middle, don't want one middle. I'll take between 3 and 4. I took, what is the point now? It is 3.5 comma 2. Why, sir? Yeah, it is 3.5. Likewise, graph sheet will have 10 small lines. Okay, don't worry. Fifth line will be little bit bigger and 10th line will be very bigger. Okay, thicker. Here bigger I cannot say, thin, thick only I can say. Yes, like that they will be differentiating. Here it looks like, okay, here I want to point out, yes, this is the first line. This is the 10 units line. Here is 5 units line. Here next one is 5 unit and here it is one more 10 unit line. Here 5, here one more 10. Like this, very, very small it is coming. That's why I have taken like this for my convenience. But I hope in this also you are able to understand. So now remember, what is a point on the x-axis? It will be x comma 0 form. Then what is the point on the y-axis? It will be 0 comma y form. Yes, these questions will come in the exam. A point is on the x-axis, how you will name it? On the x-axis means x comma 0. It is on the y-axis means it will be 0 comma y. Don't read it as x comma o and all. X comma 0. Yes, 0 distance is there. So are you able to understand, my dear children? Okay, my dear children. I hope you have understood this concept very well. X-axis, y-axis, coordinate x coordinate, y coordinate, point is x comma y, and 0 comma 3 is in the y-axis, 5 comma 0 will be in the x-axis. Likewise, almost all the concepts is clear in this one. Next, in the next video, I'll introduce negative coordinates. What is negative coordinate? Below I said no, it will extend. There it will come. Let us see in the next video. Please watch next video also and watch all the videos so that you can get benefited and enjoy your knowledge. You expand your knowledge and enjoy mathematics. Mathematics is never a tough subject if you understand the concept. For that, I am there.